Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. We need to talk because lately I've been going through so much, so I need to catch y'all up. But I just got back from therapy, and my sister is coming to New York to visit me, so we're going out tonight. Who's with me? Chai Chai, my sister.
Boy, come on for me.
My sister don't like, you know, the lovey-dovey shit. I don't even know how that bitch got a man. Right? So I just got back from getting my laser, and it was hurting like a motherfucker today. I don't know what's going on. And like out of a 10, it was definitely given a 4. And outside is nice today. My sister and we're going to the city, and I don't know what we are doing tomorrow, but I know she leaves early on Sunday. Get out this place. I wanted to go to the mall. I wanted to stop at Primark. I've been hooked to Primark lately. I probably stop at the beauty supply store because I was just asking the lady that does my laser, like, how do you brighten down there? Because I need it to be bright and pretty. Like, I want my man to be able to spot it all the way from Mars. And why would he do that? Because I want him to. But y'all, I'm such a freaking goofball. And why the hell are y'all driving so slow? Why? And then it's me driving without my glasses. Like, I'm literally using my elbow to steer this fucking car. The things I be doing for y'all. Hey y'all, so me and my family, we're in the city. I brought my camera and forgot to put a memory card in it, so we had to literally stop at Target to get one. What we say? Not today.
Everybody's going on.
Wait, it's filming?
Yeah.
What's it?
No, that's what I'm talking about.
Now that's what I'm talking about. So I started my morning pretty late today. Today's Saturday, and with today being Saturday, that means it's mass day. So I had showed y'all a product in my vlog. I think I bought this before I went to Vancouver. Yeah, I bought this before I went to Vancouver. So it's been a month since I'm using this. It's the Innisfree clay mask, and I freaking love. So I'm gonna do that. I don't think I'm gonna exfoliate, or maybe I should. Anyways, we'll see. But first I need to brush my teeth because I got crust under my eyes, around my lips. Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm literally hitting the door right now, and this is a little soft beat, and I'm surprised that I'm not putting on lashes because I love me some lashes, but I'm gonna do mascara. I'm gonna do my lips in the car. This is the outfit, just some biker shorts, a graffiti top, my little one YSL bag, and my new favorite sneakers. I was gonna wear the 9061, but this goes better with it, and yeah.
Damn, yours was tiny.
Yo, so right,
You're already
really
finished. You ain't
tiny.
still
It was
going.
fucking tiny. Cause it's the black girl that served y'all. Mine was you already know. So that's why mine's so tiny. Y'all, we have to come back to this spot because this ice cream is bomb as fuck. And I was trying to gatekeep it. I ain't gonna lie, but my sister, she already exposed it on Instagram. I'm joking. I was gonna gatekeep it. Drinks.
I don't know why I said yes to
It's
that
so good to the
crackhead.
point where I'll probably order one more. What crackhead?
That's the one whose shift I swapped with.
Oh.
And I don't want to hear. What are we arguing about? No, he's acting. What are we arguing about? We're not arguing.
You're not
She's just mad.
Wait, hold on.
We're having
Wait, hold on.
argument.
Jakora, she's just mad she's still in Atlanta. We're gonna hang out.
Yeah, I got
No, because right now I'm having fun with my sister and my friend.
No, I'm not saying. I'm not saying
truly,
right now, but I'm saying in the mix of
truly,
you doing it.
No,
Because
I don't
even-
want to.
So guys, it's been 2 days since I went out, and let's just say yesterday I was on my ass real fucking bad. Like, I had the worst hangover known to man, but I had a great fucking time because my sister came to New York to look for me because I don't really go out. But y'all, it was so bad. I was vomiting in the Uber, and then I lost my AirPods. I literally ordered some new ones today, and then today I pretty much didn't do anything. All I did was make breakfast, feed Matt her lunch, I showered, and I ordered some Skims. I'm feeling super shitty today. I don't know if you could see my face that I was crying, but what I'm gonna do is make myself some tea, probably that could calm my nerves. So I'm gonna just drink this, journal, read my Bible, and then afterwards I'm gonna start on dinner. So after a month, I'm finally going back to work, and I was gonna touch base on that because I think I was telling y'all that I had something to tell y'all, but I thought about it and I feel as if I didn't want to tell it, but then I'm like, maybe I'm just not ready to tell it yet. Like right now, I feel good, I smell good, I look the fuck good. But let me put in these contacts because for some reason my glasses broke and I don't have the vaguest idea how it broke, but I just know it did. So until I buy me some new ones, I'm gonna be wearing contacts every day. Oh my God. Y'all, I put the wrong contacts in the wrong eye. Jesus. Anyways, let's do this again. I just step outside for a quick second and the wind already ruined my hair. But like I always tell y'all, anytime y'all see me in bangs, it indicates that I'm about to get my hair done. But yeah, this is my minimal, low effort, lazy hairdo. So finally got to work, and y'all, these nails are eating, okay? And when I was talking to y'all earlier on, I went back home because I left my lunch, and I also received a skim package, so I'm gonna insert the clip right now. But Kim is doing her thing, and I've been doing my underwear clean out for months now because I have a lot of underwear from Victoria's Secret, and I'm just not a Victoria's Secret girly anymore. Like, so I've been slowly trying to rack up on my Skims. But you see, the minute Kim drops a new collection, you gotta be on it, like really on it, because my size be gone. But anyways, I gotta go. Bye. Slipping and slide, flick it and ride in the GT. I like them fine, at least the 9. I'm a vibe, call it trees. Trees, 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 trees.